just messing around, testing out a couple of things. Been thinking about a new video series that I'm going to be doing here. Kind of been contemplating this a few things here, guys. Lately, I have been thinking and considering on getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh! I know it doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but I quit the game back when Fire Fists were one of the better decks and when Pendulum Summoning was being introduced. So, you know, not too long ago, but still a considerable amount of time. What the hell is Link Summoning? I don't know. But I'm going to be basically starting from scratch again, and hopefully you guys will like the openings that I'm going to be doing in this video. Check it out. This baby right here, we're gonna do it for you guys. Obviously, you know, the promos are the three, I believe they're the non-playable versions of the Egyptian God cards. And obviously, Game Board Edition. So it's not like the Binder Edition that came out all that time ago. This does come with some of the, you know, classic packs. Not sure how good the ratios are because they're not, you know, first edition or anything crazy like that. Oh, Pharaoh's Servant, Dark Crisis, Invasion of Chaos. Man, Invasion of Chaos was one of those packs that I could... Whoop. Yep, Invasion of Chaos is one of those packs that I could never, ever, you know, have any much luck from back in the day. Yeah, Spell Ruler, Invasion of Chaos, Metal Raiders, Dark Crisis, Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. So I think we'll save Legend of the Blue Eyes for last. Not go in a certain order. Not really wanting to go over too much about the, you know, game board. So there's a quick little snippet of that, guys. Now the promos stay the same. So obviously there's, you know, the Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, Red Eyes, and then the three God cards. So Obelisk, Slifer, Ra, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Dark Magician, and Red Eyes. Let's see, are these the... Yep, they're the colored backs. I remember back in the day when the God cards were the biggest deal in the game, and there were different ways that you could get Slifer, Ra, and obviously Obelisk. I think Ra came in one of the games. Not 100% sure, so let's go for Invasion of Chaos. Kind of on a time crunch here with this, guys, sorry. Self-destruct button, Chaos Necromancer, Coach Goblin, Energy Drain, Mad Dog of Darkness, dang it, Primal Seed, Inferno, Heart of the Underdog, Balloon Lizard. Just set rares right there. And I think we'll go with Pharaoh's Servant next. Oop. Sorry guys, the tripod's a little wobbly here, so let's get a better shot. Okay. Pharaoh's Servant. Give us something good. Come on. Something, please. Attack and Receive, Harpy's Brother, Time Seal, Bombardment Beetle, Skull Invitation, okay. Then the rest. No hollows just yet. That's quite alright. Dark Crisis. Oops. So opening some of the older packs is really cool anyways, guys. Not really minding if I don't get anything too good. So obviously Dark Scorpion, Mene, Contract the Dark Master, non-cast spellcasting area, Archfiend's Roar, Mephist Infernal General, Incandescent Ordeal, Final Attack, Despair from the Dark, Deathstroke Archfiend. I remember when Archfiends were, you know, top tier. Spell Ruler. Blast from the past, you guys. pure insanity. Mechanical Snail, Snake Fang, Magical Labyrinth, House of Adhesive Tape, Horn of the Unicorn, Ancient One of the Deep Forest, October Seer. Okay. Alright, last two, guys. Fingers crossed. Make no promises. It'd be cool if we get a Black Skull Dragon out of this baby. Mortal of Thunder, Beam, Stim Pack, Winged Dragon, Guardian of the Fortress, and Princess Tsurugi, Harpy Lady. Let me see. Okay, Legend of Blue Eyes. I can't believe I'm doing this. Legend of the Blue Eyes. Whew. Rootwater, Yumi, Urabi, Forest, Aquamador. Ah, man. Well, to be fair, a lot of these are some of the older editions, not promising getting, you know, anything too extraordinary out of it. Anyways, guys, hope you like this one. Now, check out the next one. It's time for YuGiOh, the Legendary Collection Volume 2, the Duel Academy Years. Of course, the board game edition. There was the binder edition and then this board game edition. Obviously, 58 cards in all, including 28 foils. On the back, you'll obviously see what's involved. So there's 5 Legacy Collection packs. There's the game board and everything. GX is probably one of my favorite series among all the YuGiOh series and everything. I tried to watch Vrains last night, and I'm not sure if it was because of me being, you know, tired and it was almost 2 in the morning, or my brain just not really comprehending everything. But, you know, let's get to it. Let's figure out what we got here.
You ready, bitch?
I'm not ready to duel yet! Anyways, that was a roommate of mine. He also does some pretty cool stuff and makes some pretty good music on SoundCloud, so I'm gonna, you know, plug you guys with that link in the description below. Camera into focus here if it's not gonna. Alright, got it working, guys, sorry. New camera setup and everything, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Box cutter that I've kept since my days when I used to work at Walmart. God, I don't miss that at all. So, come on. Come on. Oh. There we go. There's the promo pack. Alright, there's the promo. These are the packs and everything, the promo pack. And then... Don't mind that. That's a friend's cat. It's a bit of a loudmouth. And of course, one of the coolest boards that came with the Legacy Collection series. This one, and I think it was the Seal of Orichalcos mat that was in Yugi's World, are my favorite. Should I try to get my hands on Yugi's World and open it for you guys? I don't know. Okay, so obviously first for the promo pack. We already know pretty much what the promo pack is, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. So Raviel, Lord of Phantasms. Uriah, Lord of the Searing Flames. And Haman, Lord of Striking Thunder. I used to run Dark Worlds back in the day, and I had Raviel in the deck. He actually worked pretty well with it. Now, Dark Lord Superbia, Dark Lord Asmodeus, Dark Lord Edeari, I guess, Cyber Larva, Lion Alligator, Spawn Alligator, Elemental Hero Great Tornado, Parallel World Fusion, ooh, Dragon Tactics, and Court of Justice. A lot of these older cards are some of my favorites here and everything. So yeah, I'll probably do more stuff with the deck building and everything later on. Depends on how, well received the video is, guys. I know there's a lot of great stuff out there for Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm very behind the times in Yu-Gi-Oh!, admittedly, and I apologize for that in advance. So, one of my favorite Mega Collection packs are the Mega Packs. Now, with the Mega Packs, there are typically, the typical 9 cards per pack. And this is just the English edition, no first edition. So, fingers crossed, you guys. Clock Tower Prison, Grinder Golem, Crystal Beast Carbuncle. I am wanting to bring back my Crystal Beast. Hero Wing, and oh yeah, Cyber Twin Dragon. Cyber Twin Dragon, yeah. Ooh, yes, more of the Crystal Abundance, Gateway of the Six, Fusion Recovery. Jeez, guys, that's pretty awesome. Well, there's only 2 cards I have. I'm trying to bring back my Crystal Beasts. Kind of funny. Oops. Forgot to have that one. Okay. So, let's do it. Hero Barrier. Elemental Hero Lady Heat. Hero Mask. Dark Lord Desire. A Dark End Dragon. I used to run Dark End Dragon in one of my decks back in the day. Hydreigon. Very decent card. Rosebud. Pretty awesome. Crystal Raigeki and Topaz Tiger. Awesome. Now, some people kind of will probably think, it's not the best pulls, but for me, reopening these packs after not playing for so long is amazing. Amber Mammoth. God, my Crystal Beasts are calling back. Hero Heart, Elemental Hero, Tempest, a Cyber Dragon. God, I love Cyber Dragon. Ooh, Crystal Release. I'm being blessed with a lot of good Crystal Beast cards. Gonna have to go on Dueling Nexus later on and throw the Crystal Beast together and everything. Oh, let me just do this, guys. Sorry, just trying to organize it. So, second to last pack we got here: Lady Heat, another Hero Mask, Wild Cyclone. Ooh, Gladiator Beast Darius, Macro Cosmos. Ooh, nice. Burst Return, Stratos, Offering to Snake Deity, Wild Wingman, and of course, One more. One more. What do you think we will pull, guys? Do you think we'll get any godly pulls out of it? Oh, Clayman. Elemental Hero, Necroid Shaman. Destiny Hero Departed. Ah, Crystal Beast Pegasus. Ooh, the Flame Wingman. Secret Rare. Ice Queen. And then, of course, Glownios. Beautiful. Elemental Recharge and Grandmaster of the Six Samurai. All in all, guys, I think it's, I think this is interesting. One of the first Yugi purchases I made in a very, very, very long time. So there is going to be some more to come in the near future, some more that we are going to have a look at. So, just a recap of the supers that we got here. And now for the rares, just a recap of the rares. Then for the ultra rares, and then of course the secret rares. Okay, so time to unveil what is in this beast here. So I'm gonna lightly put a hole in it because I don't want to tear anything inside it. I already know there's singles that I ordered in this thing. Ooh, I can already see one particular thing that I ordered. They also, on the Simply Unlucky game shop, they obviously are selling, a massive amount of cards and everything. And they also have some pretty cool playmats that I've not really seen, anywhere else, or seen ones as cool, in my opinion. I'm kind of picky when it comes to playmats, but when I saw one of these, I had to pick one up. Okay. Well, this thing's just gonna be difficult with us. Got it. All right. Whew. This knife ain't working too well. Kind of comedic bullshit. Okay. So obviously you can see here, guys, the playmat is there, but that's not all that we really have for you here today. So let me just unravel the playmat. As you can see here, gorgeous, gorgeous looking mat. We got two of the Dark Side Dimension movie packs. There are a lot of great promos in there. Chances to get some of the cubic monsters, Obelisk, Dark Magician, Slifer. And speaking of singles and everything, I'm impressed with how they packaged that up. So let's open the singles first, because there was a couple that I did order. He packaged them so well. Okay. So Neo, Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, Slifer the Sky Dragon, well, two Slifers that I wanted to order, Lemon Magician Girl, there's a Dark Magician Girl, Chocolate Magician Girl, Berry Magician Girl, and Apple Magician Girl. All great beauties. set those. Well, why don't we do this? So make that the secret pile. And this be the ultra pile. Okay, so let's hope for an obelisk out of this thing, guys. I think what I'll do is I'll just open up. Well, things want to cooperate with me here. I don't want to see the promos just yet. Ah. Okay. So obviously gonna movie packs right there. So we do it like this. We're gonna put the movie packs in the promo pack right there. Okay, there we go. So just throwing these in the trash right now. But what you can see, guys, is that we got the 6 packs right here. 6 of the Dark Side Dimension movie packs. Oh, forgot the promo pack I had under there. All right, so first promo pack, you guys. There's already a Crystal Dragon in there. So fingers crossed. No, another Dark Magician. Obelisk! All right. So this is another variant of Obelisk that came out for the movie. God, I love that artwork. Hopefully you guys can see it, like right there. Yeah. So Obelisk is there. Crystal Dragon. Dark Magician. Then the second promo pack we'll go ahead and get out of the way here. Another Crystal Dragon, Dark Magician, and then another Slifer. Okay. Not bad, not bad. All right. Cubic monsters, something. Maybe a Dark Magician girl being pulled from the pack? We'll see. All right. Dark Garnix, the Cubic Beast. Silver Gadget. Counter Gate. Dark Horizon. Kaiser Force Raider. Oh, these are first edition too. Got it. Second pack. Apparently when it's a struggle to open the packs, it's supposed to be a good thing. Vulcan Dragny, the Cubic King. Metamorphtress. Deep Eyes White Dragon. Nice. Dig of Destiny. Cubic Mandala. Okay. Third pack, we got 3 left. Silver Gadget, I believe. Yeah, we had a Silver Gadget already. Spiritual Swords of Revealing Light. Once per attack, when an opponent's monster declares an attack, you can pay 1,000 life points. Negate the attack. During your opponent's turn, you can banish this card from your graveyard. This turn, your opponent's monsters cannot attack directly. Okay. So pretty useful there. Lord Gaia the Fierce Knight. Kiwi Magician Girl. Another Counter Gate. Dark Magician Girl. Or Obelisk. One of the two. Come on. Dark Magic Veil. Another Apple Magician Girl. Sentry Soldier of Stone. Dig of Destiny. Cubic Mandala. Okay. Another one. Hold on, guys. Sorry. I had a little technical difficulty, guys. Second to last pack. Lemon Magician Girl, Apple Magician Girl, Cubic Karma, Dig of Destiny, Another cubic mandala. Ugh. Okay. So this last one, come on guys, give us something. Cubic Rebirth, Assault Wyvern, Magical Contract Door, Cubic King, ooh, Cubic Emperor, alright. Well guys, that was fun, wasn't it? Oh yeah. No, it's been a while since I played Yu-Gi-Oh, guys. The pack opening was awesome. Hopefully you can do more of those later on, get a little bit more into the game, and everything probably not play like I used to, but still. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. This has been Jess with the Nerdspot Collective. Check out the links in the description below. Check out Simply Unlucky, and good night.